Hey guys, it's Teacher Dad. So today I'm going to show you a video. We were able to find this old antique couch, and the only thing that was wrong with it was they said that the webbing underneath had broken and come loose. And so I did a little bit of research online, and I'm not an expert by any means, and I'll link some down in the description of where I got some of my information from. But going to show you today how you could do a repair like this, relatively simple. And so follow along, and hopefully you enjoy this video. So the first thing that you'll need when you're going to repair the webbing here is one of these, and this is a roll of the actual jute webbing, and I was told that the red stripe are more for weight bearing, so this is what would go on the bottom, and there's other colors for various other purposes. Again, you can see more information on the other channel if you're needing it for other purposes. But what they said is, as you can see here, the jute webbing has come loose. It has ripped and detached from the frame, and so now it allows those springs to push down through. If you have pieces that are not torn off or that are still in good shape, you could just basically go over top of everything and leave what is good and working there, and just go over top with the old or with the new fabric, and be able to keep what's already there from breaking any further. So I'm first just going to be removing some of the old tacks that are not needed here, making sure that I'm not running into these tacks as I try to put my staples in place. So what you'll want to do first is you'll want to lay out the jute so that it goes across the width or the length of the couch, and then you'll want to finish going horizontally and then interweaving the strips along with it. So So what you can see here is that I now have the pieces all the way widthwise across the couch, and I'm getting ready to start putting in the widthwise ones, and then they'll be woven in one over top of the other, similar to like what you would see in a lawn chair. And so there's a special tool that you can use to accomplish this, but that tool, I'll post a link down in the description if you want to see it, but it costs about $30. And so there's a couple ways you can do that. I just kind of made my own little tool here, and so basically what I did was I took a 2x4, ran some 3-inch screws through it. I cut the 2x4 a little bit shorter, and then I attached some jute fabric here to the other side just to kind of put up against the front of the wood so that it doesn't scratch up the wood. And so then what you'll be able to do is bring the fabric down, attach it to these teeth, and then I also attached a handle here so that you can use that to stretch the fabric tight. So if you have pieces that are not torn off or that are still in good shape, you can just basically go over top of everything and leave what is good and working there, and just go over top with the old or with the new fabric, and be able to keep what's already there from breaking any further. So the last thing then that there is to do is to install some type of a dust cloth. I didn't purchase one of these because they're about $9 a roll, so I'm actually just using an old sheet, doubled it over, and then staple this all around so that it's real nice and tight. If you have any questions about the supplies or anything I used, I'll leave all those things down in the comments and the description down below. If you have any questions, again, I'll link the other video where I got all of my information. But hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you again on the next one.